Millions of people are staying home, avoiding crowds, and avoiding getting a fever. Instead, they're winding up with a case of cabin fever. What you can do to save yourself. This is Mini Boat News. Well, hello there. This is American Boathead, and welcome. Today I'm going to talk about a few things. Mainly the mini boat show, what you can do to vote, what you can do to not vote, what's going on with that whole thing. Here to talk about that is a correspondent we have in the field, Hugh Glasses. Hugh?
Thank you, Boathead. It's hard to imagine standing here that in a few short months it's going to be summertime and super warm. People from around the world are preparing for the 2020 virtual mini boat show by getting their builds start right now. Now, there are a few things that you need to know about the 2020 virtual mini boat show. First of all, voting will end August 31st, so get your submissions in as fast as you can so people know that your boat is on the radar. Furthermore, if you don't have a Facebook, don't worry. There will be updates on YouTube on the American Boathead channel, as well as a slideshow at the end, and maybe a few videos of people through the voting process. I'm Hugh Glasses. Back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Hugh. I gotta say, Hugh, you look kind of familiar.
Well, I'm literally you with glasses. So.
Okay. Hugh Glasses, thanks. I want to talk about why we're doing the virtual mini boat show on Facebook. First of all, the first time we did it 2 years ago, it worked out really well to do it on YouTube as far as people seeing the slideshow and the boat entries and all of that. But the voting system was completely messed up. It was too easy to rig the system, all that stuff. So we tried our hardest to come up with any way besides having a website that we needed to pay for. So that's why we're doing it on Facebook. All the details are on the Facebook page on how to vote and everything. But I just want to let you guys know that if you're on YouTube, I will keep you updated and you'll keep seeing boats like this one and that one and stuff like that. Oh, I have magic down here at the Mini Boat News headquarters. Ready? Pretty cool, right? Anyways. Yeah, and I understand if you don't want to be on Facebook. I don't want to be on there either, really, honestly. I only go on there because I'm part of this wonderful mini boat group. So I understand I'm not trying to personally get your information or track you or, excuse me, anything like that. So just get on Facebook. Anyways, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you liking and subscribing if you want to see more of this kind of Thank you for watching, and gosh darn it, go build a boat.